Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix application password section is not shown in user profile in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in user profile and you don't see here application password, but we don't see any application password section. Basically this issue caused due to any plugin conflict. Now go to plugin section. So we are going to deactivate some plugin we are using. Now you see Hostinger. So you can deactivate plugin. Now click on deactivate and apply. So you can deactivate plugin to check which plugin caused this issue. So we deactivated some plugin. Now go to profile, user profile. Now you see profile. Refresh the page. And then you see application password section appear on user profile. So you can add application password here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.